Have a heart here. You can see the front part of the heart is a bit convex, while the back is flat. You can see the coronary veins running through the heart and some fatty tissues which help for protection of the heart. On the right side of the heart is made up of 4 chambers anyway. The right side of the heart, you got the right atrium and the right ventricle. Blood is pumped into the heart through the vena cava into the right atrium. Once the right atrium collects blood, it contracts to pump the blood into the right ventricle through the right arterial valve. The right arterial valves, you can see they are held by tendinous cord. These valves, they close when blood is in the right atrium to enable the atrium pumps blood into the pulmonary arteries, into the lungs. You can see to know that it is the right part of the heart. The muscles walls are thinner than the left side, because we don't need a lot of energy to pump blood into the lungs. You got the septum, which is like a wall separating the chambers. That's the right side and the left side. When blood goes into the body, to the lungs, it gets oxygen. To the lungs, it gets oxygen. The oxygenated blood now comes through the left side of the heart by the pulmonary vein. The pulmonary vein sends the oxygenated blood through the left atrium. The left atrium now contracts. You can also see the left AV valve to enable blood goes into the left ventricles. At the left ventricle, the walls are thick because they need to pump the blood into the aorta. We got the semilunar valve. When the blood which is in the left ventricle is pumped towards the aorta, the semilunar valves open, while the left arterial valves close to avoid the blood going back into the atrium. The blood which has gone to the aorta is sent now into the body, and the circle continues. It's just like a circle.